My next speaker is, I've been accused of being his brother because we kind of look a lot alike. And actually we have pictures of us in Oktoberfest in our Lederhosen. And we've had a lot of great times, but we share a similar passion for addressing plastic issues. He's the director of my company in Europe, Sea to Sky Solutions. He's also Rotarian. He's a pretty multiple faceted guy. Marko, come on up and speak.
Thanks, Steve. It's nice to be here, and today I talk about RiverRecycle. Actually, some of them you already know that, and I'm like a serial entrepreneur, been in waste management and recycle circular economy business plus 30 years. And RiverRecycle is also a Finnish company set up 2018. The founder of the company realized that there is a huge amount of plastic leakage to the oceans. And because he's a marine engineer, he created invention and he promoted, but nobody want to buy it. Nobody want to pay it because the marine plastics is somebody else's problem. He started to think that how we can use this plastic, or what's the right solution. And I have faced that same problem globally and especially in Asia. If you have only one product or equipment or solution, you cannot win this war. So everybody knows that it's a deadly problem. By 2015, plastic will outweigh fish in the seas. And we realize, and also there is university studies that around 1,000 rivers transport 80% of the plastic to the oceans. And where we started in Philippines, in Manila, because Philippines produce 1/3 of the whole marine plastic in the world. And this is a RiverRecycle solution. It's a new circular business model. First, we install river cleaners using corporate or national development funding, create a permanent revenue from plastic credits. And nowadays, also plastic boards. And this corporates and foundation like us because after 1 year, 1.5 years, it's sustainable and it creates own revenue. So normally, if the foundation and corporate give you a CSR money, it's like one project and then it disappeared. This continues and continues ever. We recycle the plastic in different kind of models. And this is one of the new ones. It's a plastic board. You can use it like a furniture. You can use it like a small houses, tiny houses. We are negotiation at the moment with United Nations, with Kutupalang refugee camp in Bangladesh. There is also 30 rivers, so they can collect them by themselves and use our method and make a plastic board, and after that make a refugee shelters. And if we want to continue, or if we want to be successful, we also transfer our solution to the land-based collection. Like in Philippines, in Manila, we started in a kampung area. Kampung is like a slum or ghetto. And we realized that if you solve this river problem shortly, there are always coming more plastic on the river all the time. And those people cannot think that, I start to recycle today and save my planet, because they have to live. They have a shelters or tiny houses without the windows. If they put their plastic and dirty plastic, keep it on the house, next day there's rats and everything. So same time we also educated more than 400 officials and government leaders that how you can do it better. And there's a combined several income streams. Project sales, together with the corporates and national clients. Plastic credits has been in the Philippines, in Manila, very attractive way for us to create a revenue. And also recyclable products. Traction, we have gained funding for the Coca-Cola Foundation, UK International Development, Finnish corporate Huhtamäki, which make products also Danish government, Clean Current Coalition, Penny of Ocean Initiative, Global Plastics Action Partnership. And those are crucial for us in the beginning. After 1.5 year work, we can continuously continue with our revenue. And that's quite different comparing the others. And the fun fact is that we are coming from Finland, 5.5 million people, and nowadays we are the biggest river recycling company in the world. That's why I'm here today, and that's why we are expanding together with Steve, applying a global grant for Guatemala. And we are starting the projects there. Our team is 130, I think at the moment 120 people. Core people is 14 people in the management, 5 based in Finland, and all the operation has run in the local people. And there's endless possibilities to show your impact. You can build up this plastic outdoor furniture, interior design, small kiosks, waste containers, whatever you can find it, furnitures. In Philippines, there is a couple of architects and couple of designers. They like this color. They like this to put it in a part, table or nightclubs. And I got the idea because we also have a green boards. And Boston Red Sox baseball stadium, they have a green monster, the scoreboard. So I will present them that maybe green monsters goes green. Sounds stupid, but it works. And every week we create a different kind of new models. This is for bus stops or whatever we can find. And then this is one of the newest, together with the Helsinki University, Aalto University. It's a noise barrier along to the motorways, highways. So keep it short. Thank you for you all. There's a picture in Cebu in Philippines where we work together as well. And join the movement. I'm here a whole week, also together with the other Finnish companies that take my hand and let's collaborate. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Marko.